Deborah. I'm your expat coach. I help people prepare for move abroad and adjust once they're there. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 important tips. If you are in the process of deciding where to live, this will be helpful. So without further ado, I'm going to go straight to it. You are thinking about where to live. This can be a country, a city, or even a neighborhood. So these tips will help you narrow down and help you in your decision-making process. Now, forget about locations. I don't care where you are and what country. These tips you can use in any country, in any city. Now, the first thing is to go beyond your wish list. Now, you have a wish list. I can bet my money on that. I have a wish list. We all have wish lists. I want this, that, and everything in between. The thing is, we tend to stick to that and not be able to go beyond that. And the reality is that most likely we won't get everything on our wish list. So look at your wish list and find 5 things, just 5, that are like non-negotiables. Really things that you cannot live without, you're not willing to compromise, and think about what you would absolutely have to have and is mandatory in your new place. This is a hard exercise. It's not easy. I've done it with many clients. People struggle. So sometimes we can't do this exercise alone. We do it in my program, and also how to decide where to live, the e-course. But that's the gist of it. So if you can do it on your own, you're absolutely on the right track. So wish list, take from your wish list 5 things, just a handful, find 5 things, 5 aspects that you absolutely cannot live without. Now, another tip that can be really helpful is think about, instead of looking at the locations like we tend to do, think of these 5 aspects and make them into questions. So let's say that one aspect for you is international schools, okay? You want your kid to go to an international school. So the question is, where are the places that have the best international schools? Or if one of your concerns is budget, is where are the places that I can find an apartment within my budget? If your one of your 5 is about, let's say, I want to be near the beach, where are the places that, the cities that I can be near the beach? Now, the trick of this is to ask questions of all 5 at the same time, because ideally you want to find a place that answers all these 5 questions positively, right? Because those are the aspects that you said that were crucial for you. So step number 1, go beyond your wish list. Step number 2, take these non-negotiables and turn them into questions. And where can I find this? Where can I find that? And the last tip that I wanted to share is to go on Google Maps and really, navigate there and go to potential places. Go into the satellite view, the street view, use all that good stuff that is available for free before you interact with relocation agencies, with real estate agencies, because then you're going to have a better idea of how far or how close a certain neighborhood is from the international school that you want your kid to go to. Or you can go there during different times of day and see what the traffic's like, if you're thinking about commuting. Or you can see, I want to see in this neighborhood how many grocery stores or how many drugstores there are. So depending on the 5 aspects that you established in step number 2 and tip number 2, you can go on Google Maps and check them and see where you can find these aspects that you want. Now, I hope these tips are really important and complement the other type of research that you might be doing. If you are hiring someone like a real estate agent, like a consultant, I highly advise you to share all this exercise with this person, because that can help whoever is helping you to deliver a good service, because they will know better what you want, what you don't want, and what you really need and what you don't need, and going really beyond the wish list. Now, I hope this was helpful. These are crucial tips. If this resonated with you, if this is something that you think you would like to go deeper, feel free to check out my course called How to Decide Where to Live. We have a deep dive in this methodology. It's a self-study course with downloads, with workbooks, and it includes a 1-hour call with me that you can book after you take the course. So we can troubleshoot your decision-making process, and we can look into some things that might be holding you back, or how to get more information. If this interests you, check out the link in the description box. And today, this is everything that I have for you. I hope this was helpful. Remember to comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye.